Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to begin the next one textbook, that is Moments. And here in this, the first one story, that is The Lost Child, we are going to begin. Okay, the lost child, the lost child. Okay, so here first of all understand the title, The Lost Child. Why it is called Lost Child? Why the title is given here to the story Lost Child? Okay, so before dealing with this, look at there. This story has been written by Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand, the Indian novelist, the famous Indian novelist. Okay, so leave this matter. The writer, the Mulkraj Anand. Okay, actually he is a very well-known Indian writer. Okay, Mulkraj Anand. So let's see. First of all, understand the characters that are there in the story. So first one character. Okay, characters. So the first one character is a boy, a small boy, you can say a small boy. Okay, here called child. Okay, the lost child. So here this small boy, okay, small boy is the main character, you can say here. Okay, main character of this story, of the story. Okay, second thing, you will find that the boy means, if you go through the story or while going through the story, you will find that the small boy, the child, was going to a fair. Okay, going to a fair. Okay, going to a fair, that means mela, jatra. Okay, that we say मेला जत्रा, जो हम लोग कहते हैं अपनी इधर की लैंग्वेज में, हिंदी या मराठी में. ओके, सो ही वॉज गोइंग टू अ फेयर with his parents, and what happened there, look at there. Why I am telling you this point? Because due to this feature only, because of this characteristic only, he was lost. Yes, you have to understand that why the boy was lost in the fair. Why? Because he was fascinated easily. Look at that is most important here, the characteristic of that boy. Okay, and this characteristic of the boy made him lost his parents. Yes, due to this only. What? He was easily fascinated. Easily get fascinated. Yes, किसी की तरफ easily वो attract हो जाता था. Easily get attracted. Yes, easily get attracted towards anything. Okay, easily get fascinated, easily get attracted towards anything. And look at that, this is very important. Okay, very important, because due to this reason, due to this characteristic, the boy was lost in the fair. So then, dear, when you go through the story, you will find that there is some items, or the list of the things are given there towards which he was fascinated. Yes, towards which he was fascinated. The list of the thing is given there. The list of things. So many things are there, like swamps, and then the toys, the butterfly, then the garden, many things. Okay, and this is what, before reaching the fair, or before entering the fair, there is list of things towards which he was attracted. Okay, then what happens there? What can I say? Some things are there, towards which he was attracted. Then in the fair too, Two, he was attracted. In the fair two, he was attracted towards some things. Okay, towards some things. He wanted some things. He wanted many things, we can say. He wanted many things. Okay, he wanted many things in the fair when he was with his parents. When he was with his parents. Okay. But what happens there? Look at there. I rub it. Then what happens there? He wanted many things when he was with his parents. But what happens there? But due to the same quality, or not quality, but the characteristic, due to the characteristic, get fascinated. Yes, get fascinated towards anything easily. So due to what happened? In the middle of the story you will find that, yes, he was lost. Yes, at the roundabout. Okay, then the story reveals, after that the story reveals the message. Or what you can say, the main concept of the writer that he wanted to tell through this story. Yes, what happens there? When he was lost, then he wanted only his parents, nothing else. Okay, nothing else but his parents, nothing else. Even a man is there. Okay, a known man, a man is there, offered him all the things, all the things, offered him all the things he wanted earlier. But he wanted earlier means the man, actually there is a man who got pity, or he had pity on him, and then he took him on his shoulder, and then he offered him. Why? Because the boy was just sobbing, the boy was just crying and just wanted his parents. So that time the man tried to soothe him, tried to console him by offering all the things that he wanted earlier. But the boy denied to have these, and asked for his parents only. Okay, and ask for his parents only. So here, through this story, the writer Mulk-Raz Anand wanted to tell us that, or wanted to tell us the relationship, yes, the very, very important relationship between the parents and a child. यस, पेरेंट्स और बच्चे, जो चाइल्ड होते हैं, चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, उनके बच्चे जो होते हैं, इनके बीच का जो रिलेशन होता है, यस. सो थ्रू दिस स्टोरी द राइटर मुल्क-राज आनंद वांटेड टू टेल अस द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द पेरेंट्स एंड द चिल्ड्रन. यस, सो हियर द बॉय हु वांटेड एवरीथिंग while he was with his parents denied to have all those after losing them. Yes, After losing them, he denied to have all those. He just wanted his parents, nothing else. Nothing else, only his parents. So that shows the relationship of a child with his parents. Yes, so this is the main idea here the writer Mulk Raj Anand wanted to convey. Yes, what happens actually here? The children, or what you can say, a child or a boy or a girl, yes, feels free, secured, yes, secure. They feel free and secure with their parents. They are comfortable with their parents. Though their parents, or though the parents of the child deny to fulfill their demands, but still the children are happy, comfortable with their parents, happy and comfortable with their parents, though the parents deny to fulfill their demands. Yes, so this is what you can say, the crucial relationship between the parents and child. It is given here and very well viewed by the writer Mulk Raj Anand. In a pure manner, we can say, or in a easy manner, here he described that relationship, yes, relationship between them, how they are comfortable, protected, and feel protected and secure in the company of their parents. And another condition is again given there, or another scene, we can say, another picture is given there. When the boy was lost, an unknown person took him, pitied on him, and tried to find his parents. Besides, as he was crying, he tried to soothe him, console him by offering him sweets, balloons, and many more. But the boy was not comfortable with that man. He did not feel secure. He did not feel protected with that man, unknown man. Though the man was offering him everything that he asked his parents earlier, which were not fulfilled by his parents, here that man was offering him in the another scene. But look at the reality, or the what can say, the fact, or what can say here, the condition, the real condition of that boy. And really this is reality in our surrounding too. If a child is lost, same condition would be of that boy or that girl. Yes, so here with this story, with the another scene, here the writer Mulk Raj Anand has what can say, promptly viewed the story and cleared the feeling of the boy, of the lost boy, how he feels that time, the condition of that boy or the girl who is lost. Yes, so there he says the boy who was lost with the unknown man was not comfortable. He was uncomfortable there. Even he denied to have all those things that he wanted earlier. He was just asking again and again for his parents. Yes, he was sobbing, he was longed for his parents. Yes, he did not want anything, only or except his parents. So here the two conditions are very well viewed here by the writer. where he talks about the first one condition where the boy is with his parents, how he feels protected, secure and comfortable. Then another scene is there with unknown man, uncomfortable, insecure, yes, and feeling means he was not feeling protected. So this is the what can I say, opposite conditions are there, and in the both situations what would be the condition of a boy is very well described, depicted by the writer Mulkraz Anand. Okay, so I hope you got a bit idea about the story The Lost Child. Okay, so now this is the main character, as I told you, the small boy. Okay, main character is there. The whole story revolves around him. Then let's see the another characters. Okay, another characters, but these other characters are not that much important, but the main character is that small boy. Okay, the child, the lost child. Another are the parents. Okay, parents of the boy. Not much information is given about them, but here you can say that the parents were with him while going to the fair. Then in the fair for some time they were there, but after some time they were separated. The boy was lost. Okay, so these are the parents, another what you can say the characters. Then the third one, this is again what you can say a bit important, the unknown man. Okay, the unknown man. The unknown man is also important one here. Why? Because here the unknown man helped, pitied, okay, pitied the boy. Pitied on the boy. Okay, he took him everywhere in the fair, in search of his parents, okay. Besides, you can say that even he offered him many things that the boy wanted earlier. Okay, the boy wanted earlier. He tried to soothe the boy, the crying boy. Okay, the crying boy, but unsuccessful. Okay, but or what can I say, he tried to soothe the boy, okay, unsuccessfully, or means he did not get success in that. And at last, actually the ending is not given here, the story is left incomplete. The story is left incomplete so that the readers can get it completed, or readers can just imagine, or they can complete it in their own way, whether he found his parents or not, or whether he remained with that unknown man forever. Okay, all depends on the reader. The writer Mulkraz Anand left the story incomplete. Okay, so here, but the thing he wanted to tell is clear here. Okay, the condition of the boy. So here another one character is the unknown man. Okay, then he tried to soothe the boy, but did not get success. Okay, but did not get success. Okay, but did not get success. Then again here you can say that this is about the unknown man, but here again parents of the boy, you have a lot of to say about them. First one is they were with the boy to the fair. Okay, going to the fair, going to the fair with their son. Okay, with their son, warning their son continuously to follow them. Okay, they were warning, giving him warning, alarming him to walk with them, but the boy was lagging behind. Again and again, as we have seen, due to the characteristic of him, that is get fascinated easily. Okay, so then what happened in the fair? What happens? They did not fulfill the demands of the boy. Even they did not pay heed what he was saying or asking for. So here you can say that the parents were not fulfilling the demands of the boy. They were just ignoring. Yes, even not paying heed towards the demands or the things that he asked for. Okay, so here some features you can, or what can the characteristics of the parents you can get. So this is about the characters of the story. Okay, characters: the boy, the parents of the boy, and the what we can say, the unknown man. Okay, these are the three main characters, or the characters of the story. Okay, again many other are there: snake charmer, sweet sailor, but these are just negligible characters. Okay, so then let's see the plot of the story. Okay, plot of the story. What is there in the story? Plot. Okay, what is there here? A boy, a small boy is there. Small boy going to fair with parents. Then got attracted towards many things on the way to the fair. Okay, on the way to the fair. Look at understand what is there in the story. Okay, a small boy was going to a fair with his parents, got attracted towards many things on the way to the fair. List is given there. Okay, in the story list is given there: toys, and then the garden, butterflies, doves, the tree, worms, many more things are there. Okay, so while dealing with the story, just make the list of the things that he was attracted towards. Okay, that he was attracted towards on the way to the fair. Then what is there after that? You will find that in the fair he wanted many more things. Okay, many more things. But what happened there? His parents ignored. Okay, his parents ignored his demands. Okay, ignored his demands. Then what happened? At a roundabout, he was lost. Okay, he was lost or he lost. Then what happened there? After that, do write fast in your copy. At a roundabout, he was lost. Then what happened there? He searched them everywhere, but failed. Okay, but failed. Then what happens? But he failed. Okay, he searched them means his parents everywhere in the fair, but failed means he did not get his parents. Then what happens? While or at last, what happened there? He reached to the temple. He reached to the temple Okay, temple which was crowded. Not a single place was there to walk on. It was too much crowded. But still, he was just what can I say? The pushing the people away, or just tried to go to the temple, or tried to reach to the temple, walking through in between the legs of the people. Just he was trying to reach there to the temple. But at last, what happened? He fell down. There. Yes, he fell down there. And what happened? He was about to stamp or walk on. He was about to. But what happened there? The man, what I can say? The unknown man picked him up and saved him. Okay, then what happens there? As the unknown man picked him up and saved his life. Okay, this unknown man saved his life from trampled, means he was about to trample. Okay, under feet, मतलब पैरों के नीचे वो कुचला जाने वाला था. But here the unknown man saved his life. Then what happened there? The man took him everywhere. In search of his parents. But he also felt. He too fell. Okay, ये भी fail हो गया. Then what happened there? The man tried to soothe the boy. Okay, tried to soothe the boy by offering many things. Okay, many things. So here, what is here? I want to tell you that in this story, you will find that the man tried to soothe the soothe the boy by offering him all the things that he wanted earlier, but the boy denied. The boy denied to have all those now, and asked for his parents only. Asked for his parents only. So this is what the story, the lost child. So here with this story, the writer just wanted to tell us the relationship between the parents and the children. Yes, how they are secure, protected and comfortable with their parents. Yes, and the adverse condition or opposite condition to this when they are not with their parents. So I hope you all have understood the plot of the story, the characters of the story very well. And in our next video lecture, we will deal with the story in detail, okay, line wise. So keep watching my videos and enjoy the classes. Okay guys, bye bye, see you soon in our next video lecture. So bye bye.